Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So on the pound dollar, I'm still pretty confident about this either making a running flat wave C or an expanding flat wave C. I still think this is going to go up and make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of C. Running flat would likely go to the 138, 123. A expanding flat would likely go to the 178 or the 161.8. Either way, I think it's going to lead to a very big uptrend, especially on these shorter time frames. Heading down to the weekly time frame, I still think this is the end of a wave 2 right here. I still think this is an uptrend like a 1. I still think this is a WXY of a 2. I personally still think this thing is going to keep on making higher highs, higher lows on the weekly time frame for either a wave C running flat or a wave 3 of a wave C expanding flat. So taking it down to the daily time frame, on the daily time frame, I'm definitely still looking for longs primarily. I mean, even on this time frame, we don't have a break of structure. I would like to say that this is already a 1 and this is already a 2, and that this week's interest rate news is actually going to cause it to go up and start a big old wave 3. I think this is the end of a correction right here, wave 2, and I think this is all subdivisions of a wave 3. So if it is a wave 1, 2, 3, then it's a subdivision of the bigger wave 3. So like a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and 3 of wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, it seems pretty clear to me that this is a 1, this is a 2. Probably this is a wave 3 right here. This is probably a wave 4. And yes, it is definitely overlapping, but trends within inside of corrections are often very overlapping. I think that more than likely than not, this is going to go down, probably to make a wave 5, maybe bounce off one of these Fibonacci levels, go up, break structure, and then end up continuing the uptrend. Maybe it's just a subdivision of a wave 3, and if that's the case, it probably will just keep on making higher highs and higher lows. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this push right here. I think more likely than not, it's either going to be very sideways until tomorrow. Everybody is going to be waiting for tomorrow's interest rate and CPI news. So it's probably going to make a very overlapping, very sideways pattern, maybe drift up to the 50% to make what I think is a wave 4. Probably eventually going to go down for a wave 5, more likely tomorrow. And this is probably a wave 3 over here. So I think that more likely than not, today is going to be a little bit on the slow side for the dollar. It's probably going to kind of drift sideways. Probably eventually going to make its way up a little bit, maybe to the 50%. Then I think tomorrow's CPI news will cause it to go down. And then I think tomorrow's interest rate news will cause it to reverse, probably go up, break structure, and most likely continue the uptrend from there. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my daily live trading sessions and get access to my swing trade setups. As always, thank you and happy trading.